Planning a trip to Europe but worried about the Schengen visa application process? Fear not, as JohnnyBlue Agency is here to guide you through every step, ensuring a smooth journey from application to approval. At JohnnyBlue Agency, we specialize in Schengen visa applications, providing comprehensive and expert guidance. Our team, equipped with deep knowledge of the Schengen visa requirements, ensures your application ticks all of the right boxes. We believe in personalized support, addressing your unique visa needs and concerns. Our mission is to make the application process as streamlined as possible, taking on the complexities so you don't have to. Our services encompass everything from visa type assessment to document preparation assistance, application form completion, visa fee payment guidance, and visa submission assistance. We even track the status of your application, keeping you informed at every stage. But our services don't stop there. We also offer multilingual support, catering to a wide range of clients. Our fast and efficient service prioritizes your time, ensuring you receive your visa promptly, and with our high success rate, you can trust that your application is in good hands. So, embark on your European adventure with confidence, knowing that JohnnyBlue Agency is handling your Schengen visa application. We can assist you with applications to any Schengen country, including Austria, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and many more. Remember, at JohnnyBlue Agency, we simplify your Schengen visa application process and pave the way for a smooth and enjoyable European experience. Don't let visa complexities stand in your way. Contact us today and let us handle the rest. In conclusion, JohnnyBlue Agency is your trusted partner for Schengen visa applications. With our comprehensive services, personalized guidance, and high success rate, we ensure your journey to Europe starts off on the right foot. Remember, God is blue and so should you. Thank you for tuning in. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel, comment, and hit the notification button. By doing so, you'll be the first to be notified when we drop new videos, and you'll also stand a chance to win our giveaways. This is your servant, JohnnyBlue1, signing off.